LG is planning a major refresh for its next mainstream smartphone, but before getting there, the company decided to release another entry in its spec-heavy V series, the V60 ThinQ. It's got a Snapdragon 865 processor with 5G connectivity and is capable of shooting 8K video. You can outfit the V60 with a second display, with the optional dual-screen case for unrivaled multitasking. With advanced manual camera controls, a hi-fi headphone jack, and top-end specs, these phones have always been geared toward tech enthusiasts.
So today, we are going to see LG V60 ThinQ, its designs, specifications and features. What's up guys, welcome to Tech Layout. Before we started, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell on to keep up to date with all of our future videos. So without any further ado, let's get started.